Hi, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've watched my videos in the past. If you haven't, welcome to my channel, and please subscribe if you like travel content or things related to entertainment or activities. I like to make videos about anything related to that. So I'm just packing for Iceland because I booked kind of a last minute trip. I'm leaving in I think 3 days, and I booked it a little over 2 weeks ago, so it's pretty last minute, but we're only going to be there for 4.5 days, and then we're stopping in Boston both ways because we are flying Southwest to Boston and then flying Play Airlines to Iceland, which I've never flown Play Airlines before, so we'll see how that goes. But yeah, I just wanted to show you what I'm packing because I love these videos. And it will be June, like early June when we go, so it's not going to be like super cold. It's gonna be, I think, between like 40 and 60 maybe, probably around like high 40s to mid 50s mostly. And honestly, I don't really know what to expect for the weather because I've been like looking at the forecast and it says like wind advisories, and I think it snowed there this week, so I don't know. I'm really not sure what to expect. I'm gonna try to pack as like versatile as I can because I don't want to be too cold, but I also don't want to be too hot, obviously. And yeah, this is the bag that I'm packing in. It's just a small checked bag, and I'm splitting this with my husband, so we each get half of a checked bag and then like a small backpack. Stelly! This is my dog Stella. She's a Pomeranian and she's so cute. Ah! Okay. So I was planning on bringing like a duffel bag on my Southwest flight as a carry-on to put my coats in. What's my camera doing? To put coats in because I don't want to have to like wear this coat around Boston, or I think we're gonna try to put our bag in luggage storage because we have like, we're flying into Boston in the morning and then we have like almost a whole day in Boston, and our flight to Reykjavik is in the evening, so we're gonna put the checked bag in luggage storage, which is near the airport, and I want to bring this so that I can also put this in the luggage storage and I don't have to like wear my coat around Boston because I don't think it's gonna fit in the suitcase. I always make a list in advance of like everything I'm gonna pack for a trip, and then I usually start that about a week out. I feel like I say this in every pack with me video that I make, but I always make a list, otherwise I will forget things, and I usually don't forget things, so I think it's really helpful. It's still a little early for me to pack literally everything because, like I said, I'm not leaving for 3 days, so I'm not gonna pack like my shampoo and conditioner and toothbrush and makeup and all that yet. I don't know if I'm gonna even bother like filming that. I might come back and film it, or I might just not include it. I'm not really sure yet. Depends on how much time I have. But this is a coat that I'm bringing. It's from Amazon. I bought it last minute. It looks like it's kind of like orange, but it's really like pink. But I promise it's a pretty color. It's not like the salmony that it looks on screen right now. But it is pretty lightweight. I don't know if it's too heavy for Iceland right now, but I'm like always a very cold person. I'm literally always cold, even when it's 80 degrees outside, so I'd rather have this and be warm. And I honestly don't have any other like thinner jackets that are also water resistant or waterproof, so this is just what I'm gonna bring. Everything else that I have is either like a warmer coat or it's like fabric. So yeah, it was really hard to find a coat last minute, and this was only $20, so I didn't want to spend too much money on something that I don't know if I'll actually wear it a lot. I figure if it's too hot, I just won't wear it. And it actually rolls up really small, so that's really nice. But I decided I'm mostly going to pack leggings because I don't know how much hiking I'm going to do. I haven't really been able to plan a ton of this trip because, like I said, it was super last minute. But I did watch another pack with me video If I can find it, I'll link it below, but she was saying that you should wear leggings because if you wear jeans, they're probably going to get wet from like all the rain and the waterfalls and everything. So I'm bringing 3 pairs of leggings. Yeah. I have this packing cube that I'm going to put all of my, well, most of my clothes in, just to keep it separate from my husband's. But I have my 2 favorite pair of leggings. One's Costco and one's just from TJ Maxx, I think. Actually, no, they're both from Costco. But I have those, and then I have like a cheaper pair from Forever 21 that's like really old and not very nice, but I figure it's good to have like just another option in case these get wet or like muddy or something. I'll probably just wear one of these twice instead of wearing these, but I want to bring another option just in case. And I can also sleep in these if I need to. And then I'm bringing, I think, 1 pair of pajamas. And then to go with my leggings, I don't know what order I'm really going in. I'm wearing this sweater, which is like a long oversized sweater. And I always wear like a thermal under it. I don't actually know if I'm going to need this or not, but I want to pack it just in case. And I'm going to bring 2 of them. And then I also have this really long sweater, which is from Abercrombie, and I did thrift this, but it has like wool, so it's really warm. I'm going to wear sweatpants on the plane to Boston with a t-shirt that I'm wearing in Boston, and then probably wear these shorts in Boston. I really wanted to bring a dress, but I just don't know what the weather's going to be like, and I don't know what I'm going to be doing in Boston, so I don't know if I'm going to wear a dress or not. If I have room, I'll probably throw a dress in. But, so I'll probably wear these in Boston and then wear these sweatpants to the airport, so I'm not going to pack them. And then, okay, I think I'm going to leave the sweaters out of the packing cube and then put everything else in the packing cube. And in case you didn't know, it's like midnight sun season. I think this is the very beginning of midnight sun, so that means that the sun never sets below the horizon, so it never actually gets dark at night. It's like 24 hours of light, which is kind of crazy, and that's honestly the reason I'm going to Iceland right now, because I really want to experience that. I think it sounds so cool, and I don't know, I feel like I can go back sometime in the winter to see like the northern lights. I have seen the northern lights before, so I'm not really as concerned about that. I really want to see the midnight sun. And flights were really affordable, so I don't know, I just decided to go. And I'm definitely team roll your clothes for thin stuff and fold for bulky stuff. With Play Airlines, you do have to pay extra for luggage, so that's why me and my husband are sharing a suitcase, and also because we're not going to be gone for that long. And we don't want to have to like deal with 2 suitcases in Boston. But we paid for one that's like allowed, I think, 40 pounds. So it's not too bad. I'm not really planning on buying a lot of like souvenirs in Iceland just because everything there is so expensive. But I definitely want to try to pack some snacks so that we don't have to buy as many groceries there or eat out as much, because Iceland's literally one of the most expensive countries in the world. And in case you didn't know, you are allowed to bring certain foods into Iceland. I think it's like meats and things like that you're not allowed, maybe fruits. Okay, and then I'm going to bring 1 swimsuit, obviously for like hot springs and stuff. The Blue Lagoon, I think, is closed right now because of the volcanic eruption. But I wasn't planning on going to the Blue Lagoon anyway, just because it's like $100 per person, and I'm kind of on a budget right now, so I'd rather just go to one of the free lagoons or one of the cheaper ones. And then I'm going to bring this really thin travel towel with me just to like dry off. And then I think on the airplane from Boston to Reykjavik, I'm going to wear like the outfit that I'm going to wear the first day in Iceland because we arrive at 4:45 in the morning. So I'm just going to wear like leggings with one of these sweaters, and it's only a 5-hour flight, so it's not actually that long. If I feel like gross, I'll just like change or something, but yeah, I'm just going to wear leggings and a sweater. That helps with some of the like bulkiness for that flight. I mean, for my like suitcase, because I only have so much room. Then I'm also going to bring one like normal outfit for Iceland. I'm going to bring this pair of jeans, but I'm not packing them yet because I still need to wash them. And then I'm going to bring a sweater. It's just like kind of a basic cream colored sweater. I will probably put this over here for now. And then I'm also going to pack just like this oversized t-shirt to wear over leggings in case it's really warm one day or something like that, because I just do not know what to expect for the weather. And I can also sleep in this if I need to, so it's kind of just like, I don't know, versatile. For my last day in for my last day in Boston, we arrive in the evening and then we have like almost a full day, and we leave again like the next evening. We're getting a hotel there. So I'm just gonna wear, I think I'm gonna bring this shirt. I got this in Japan at H&M, and I'm either going to wear shorts with it if it's hot, or I'm just going to wear these jeans. I don't know if I should bring 2 pairs of jeans or if one is fine. I haven't really decided. I think it depends on how much room I have. I might not bring these jeans. I'm not really sure. Okay, so then I have almost all my clothes in this packing cube aside from the jeans that I still need to wash. And then I have my jewelry. I probably really don't need this much jewelry. I really kind of wish I had like a smaller jewelry holder than this. I think I'm going to put this in my backpack though in case my suitcase gets lost. So I'm going to hold off on packing that. And then I have one umbrella, which I probably won't use because I'm going to bring like a waterproof like shell jacket thing. This will probably just like get ruined in the wind, but I'm going to bring it anyway because it was really cheap and I just bought it in Japan and it was like $5 or something, so I don't really care if it gets ruined. And I think it will be good to have if I'm like walking around Reykjavik or something and I don't want to wear that like ugly poncho. And then another thing that I always pack is this little tiny laundry bag just for like dirty socks and stuff. And sometimes I'll bring like a plastic bag even, but yeah, I'm just going to pack this. And I haven't actually looked this up yet, what kind of outlets Iceland has, but I do have these converters if I need them. I need to do like a quick Google and see. I'll definitely be packing them if I need them, of course. And I was planning on bringing one pair of gloves and like some sort of hat. Sunglasses, let me see. I have my list of packing stuff. Leggings, PJ coat, okay, boots, sneakers, rain jacket, rain poncho, umbrellas. I'm going to bring a sleeping mask for the airplane and for the hotel if the curtains are not dark enough because of the midnight sun. I might actually make my husband one because he doesn't have one and I couldn't find one at the dollar store, so I'm probably just going to make one for him really quick. I'm also planning to bring a water bottle, which I need to wash it first, but that will go in my backpack. Other random stuff I'm bringing that I'm going to wait to pack is just like my camera, my charger, tablet, which I'm going to download like Netflix shows on, and then like my earbuds and then my headphones. I really like using headphones more than earbuds. I actually hate Bluetooth earbuds, but I have to use them with my phone, so I'm packing them. And then obviously all the other stuff I mentioned, hairbrush and hairbands. I need to get my sunglasses out of my car. So what I'm going to do to pack my coat in this duffel bag is I have this piece of elastic because I sew stuff, and so I have a lot of elastic. I'm just going to roll it up and then put the elastic on it, and that way it'll stay rolled up. But the shoes that I'm bringing, I'm going to bring these sneakers just for like walking around, maybe doing some very casual hiking. And then I'm bringing these boots just for if it rains or if it's muddy. I'll probably wear these on the plane, right? Can I wear these with sweatpants? I think I have to. I'm going to be wearing these on the plane, I guess. And then I'm going to pack my sneakers in a bag. I'm definitely putting them in a plastic bag. Sorry, the sun is going away, so it's getting kind of dark in here. Oh yeah, so this is what the coat looks like. It's super long. I'm just gonna roll it up. And since I can't like have more than one bag on my play flight, I'm just gonna flatten this and like put it in the top of like across my suitcase, and then I'll just wear my coat on the airplane. So this is how small my coat can roll up. I'm just gonna put it, it's definitely growing. That's okay. I'm gonna put it in here. And that. And I might put some other essentials in here in case my suitcase gets lost, because we are checking it, like I said. Okay, I'm pretty sure this is the backpack I'm bringing. It is just like a small Coach bag. I'm not 100% sure. It depends on how much room I have in my suitcase, but I think I'm probably going to bring this. So I'm going to put this in there. I haven't decided yet if I'm going to bring a purse. I think I'll probably just bring like a really small purse. I don't actually know if I'm going to bring a purse at all. I'm going to put my shoes in here. I think any stuff that I buy in Iceland is probably going to have to go in my backpack. So I'm going to have to leave a little bit of room for any sort of souvenir that I buy. I'm probably just going to show my suitcase when it's all packed, and then like the rest of the random little things right before I leave. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video. It's going to be an Iceland video for sure. I don't know exactly how I'm gonna like structure my videos for Iceland. I'll probably have one for Boston and then at least one for Iceland, but I might be doing a few Iceland videos. I'm not really sure. But please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.